Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you kind of how to do your population pyramid exercise. So I'm going to walk you through it. Please make sure that you follow my steps carefully. Getting to the data is a little tricky, but once you're there, I think you could do this pretty quickly. So I wanted to start off telling you about the population pyramid. You can see it here. This is an example I've done. This isn't a real thing, so don't copy and paste this. It's not going to mean anything. So this is Nowheresville, USA. We have our age categories over here, and then for each age, we have highlighted bars, cells that tell us how many people are in that age group within that city. So in my example here, the age 85 plus, there's 2,000 individuals. When you go to make yours, you're going to have to fill in your own numbers down here. You're going to have to highlight your cells. You're going to have to insert your town name up here as well, so I know what you're graphing. Okay. So let's go ahead and do an example here just so you can kind of figure this out. You are going to go to the data.census.gov website. And when you type in here, you're going to type in any city or town as long as the population is greater than 1,000. So let's do New York City. Now you will have to put city there because of the state, and it should say New York City, and then that's going to be the one you want to click on. Okay, so this gives us a lot of information about New York that you can look through, glance through. I find it really interesting. These are things that interest me. But to do your assignment, you need to go down here. And so here's your summary screen. It's going to be under age and sex. There's this table, and it's DP05. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you to this table. This table gives us more information, and this is closer to what we need, but it's not quite perfect yet. So we need to go up here to tables. And then from tables, there should be a whole bunch that appear. Let me move my face over there. And it's usually, from what I've determined, it's the fourth one down. But when you get to this table button, you're looking for age and sex. That's the one that we're going to be looking at. Okay, so as this loads up, you can see that there's a ton of data that the Census Bureau provides for us. Now, this is where we're going to be able to pull our numbers. So you can see this looks better. It's showing our total. It's showing these age categories for us, nice and easy there, in 5-year increments. We're going to scroll over, and then it's going to give us our male numbers and then our female numbers. Okay, and that's the information that we want. So if you're looking at this, and you're gonna have to scroll back and forth a little bit, I'm sorry, but so let's say we're trying to find that number for under 5 years. So let's go over under 5 years for male. It's 282,000 people. Okay, so we go back over to our population pyramid. If this was New York, we're gonna have to count by like 400,000 because that's a very large city. Okay, and then we would highlight this one box, or excuse me, we could count by like 50,000. That'd do it. Okay, so 100. And then you can keep typing. A quick little trick that you can do in Sheets is just do that. So if we're talking, what did I say? 300, 280,000. So for us, we would highlight up to there, and then we're done. Okay. So then we're going to find that 5 to 9 group, which is just going to be the next one down. Okay. So that's going to be 250,000. So that's going to be up to there. Okay. You're going to keep repeating that experience and collecting that data, and eventually all the way up you're going to build this nice looking population pyramid. Okay, the hardest part about this is getting to the data. Again, if you need help with that, let me know, but you're going over to this table group after you enter the table, DP05 table, and then you're scrolling down over here finding the age and sex table. Okay, that from what I've looked at for a couple different cities, it's always in the same spot. So hopefully they don't make things tricky there. And then you have all the age categories over here, and then you're going to have to scroll over, and you have male, and then you have female on over. Okay. Please let me know if you have questions. If you can't find the data, I can link you to specific cities. You're going to have to message me those cities, though. Let me know if you have any issues or problems, though, okay? Hopefully this helps. As I try to finish recording. Oh, there we go.